All right, so I'm about to harvest one of the important ingredients for the recipe of my turkey brine. Since it is time to start the brine, let me show you. Now, isn't this an amazing part of having your own herb garden or your own herbs? Harvesting them when you need them. And rosemary for your turkey brine is a must. Whether you brine your turkey or you deep fry your turkey or you just cook your turkey, any way that you do it is right for you. But I like to brine my turkey for Thanksgiving. Have for probably 10 years, I think, maybe a little bit longer. And this is the recipe that I use. It's fairly simple. So, fresh rosemary, telling you, large navel oranges, some garlic, some kosher salt, some peppercorns, some apple juice, important, bay leaves, and brown sugar. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna put the actual recipe up as I'm putting everything together and also down below in the description and the process. But this process is very, very easy. In this video, I'm just gonna show you the brine and how I make it. All right, first thing to do, get a large pot. You can use any kind of pot you want. This is a stocking pot, so this is perfect for what I need. We're gonna start off with 2 gallons of cold water. Okay, one. While I'm filling up that second gallon, this recipe needs 3 cups of either apple juice or apple cider. I'm using apple juice just because I had this and I didn't want to have to buy anything else. So 3 cups. Okay, and gallon number 2 of water. We're just gonna add all the other ingredients. So this recipe calls for 5 tablespoons of rosemary, but I've always just put in 2 good size twigs here of the rosemary. We're gonna throw in the 5 bay leaves that it called for, the 3 tablespoons of the black peppercorns. Now this recipe does call for 3 large orange rinds, but I didn't have large oranges, so I used 4 of the smaller orange rinds. Okay, and not last, still got the garlic. This is 1.5 cups of kosher salt and 2 cups of the brown sugar. Okay, get that in. And now the last thing is 5 cloves of minced garlic. I've always just used this kind of garlic. And I've been making this for a long time, y'all, so I kind of have that down by sight. But if you're going to do your own garlic cloves, then do 5 minced garlic cloves. And that's it. Okay, and the last thing to do now is to stir this up, bringing it to a boil, making sure that the salt and the sugars are dissolved. Once that's done, we are going to take it off the heat and let it cool down naturally on its own while putting a cover on it. Once that's done, y'all, then the next step to do is to get your turkey, go through the proper preparations of your turkey, get it into a container where you can pour the brine and the turkey in, and go from there. I always put my turkeys in an igloo cooler or any kind of cooler that you have. And then over the next day to 2, you want to brine for 16 to 24 hours at a minimum. I always do like 2 to 3 days, honestly. And I make this a few times. They change out the water as the ice dissolves. Replace the ice and keep the whole process going until it is time to put that turkey in the oven for Thanksgiving. Okay, so that's it. That's all there is to my turkey brine. Now, I did not create this turkey brine. I got it from somewhere. I don't even remember where. So if it's somebody's out there, someone on some channel, hey, it is what it is. I'm using it. But I'm not claiming that it's mine. But seriously, that's all there is to it, y'all. It's very easy. I enjoy brining. I enjoy this whole process, and hopefully you will too if you decide to use this brine. So hey, if y'all enjoyed this video, if you got anything out of it, if you learned anything from it, do me the 3 favors: share, like, subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. And on behalf of my family to yours, everyone take care and God bless. We wish you the happiest of Thanksgivings, and we'll talk to you again real soon.